Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my RC Construction YouTube station. Today, I'm back on here with the Lesu SK500 LC excavator. And a couple days ago, Lesu Toucan Hobby sent me some parts to repair my broken track drive gears. And I put the parts in, and they worked for 2 days. And again, all the gear teeth are in here. You can see it's smooth. It broke again. So the parts that they sent me, which were the original parts in here, suck and don't work. So they are sending me some more parts. So hopefully the parts that they got shipped out to me are much better quality than these crappy ones that are in the excavator. It's probably going to be another month before those parts get here. My opinion of the Lesu now is this Lesu sucks. Cabalite was so much better because the Cabalite works. Just bringing an update on what's happening. Let me zoom out. Yes, so this is the Lesu SK500 LC. Its track drive motors suck. I've been doing an autopsy on why these gears keep dying in my track motor and found out that there are 9 of these smaller gears and 3 of these larger gears. So I took the outer cover plate off the other side of the track motor that has not failed, and this is that cover here. And I notice on this piece are the 3 larger gears, and on all of these other pieces where I put the 3 gears, it should have the 9 smaller gears on those 3 pieces. So perhaps that's why these failed. Maybe the first and second time that it failed, but I wasn't aware of this when I reconstructed it a couple days ago when I received the gears. So I'm going to put it back together and make sure all the gears are in the proper place and see how long it lasts, and I will give you an update. This larger gear is 4.45 millimeters in thickness, and the smaller one is 3.5 millimeters in thickness. So that's where I'm at the moment. Once again, I've rebuilt. I put all 3 discs with gears together, and I'm going to try to put them in at one time. I have these snap ring pliers that I'm going to use to try to hold this. Works much better than needle nose pliers because it fits in the groove. So let's see what happens. Don't want the gears to fall off. One, 2, 3. So all three are in there. Now I have to get the first one to sit down on the actual motor gear at the bottom. And to do that, I'm going to very slowly use the transmitter to rotate that motor. Holy smokes, all three of them went in at once. I like it. That took far less time than it did to get the three on before. So now that I have those three on, I just have to get the outer plate on. Which I have right here. And this has the three bigger gears on top of it. And it's on there. So I got it back together. I'm gonna play with it and see how long it lasts. By the way, one thing I want to point out is right here, this cover covers up the motor in the back, the track motor. Same thing on this side. When I first took this apart, I took this cover off, and as you can see, I took the track off also. However, it's not necessary to take either of these off because I can use the transmitter in order to make the motor spin. So just a tip to save you some time. Doesn't matter if the track's on, it just hangs over it. Be a little bit in your way. Okay, I have the hub reassembled and it's very loud. That's normal. Forward direction is okay, but reverse, not good. This thing's still not fixed, so I gotta wait till some more parts come and hopefully they're better quality. Like I said earlier, this excavator sucks. Later.